Good morning, students. Today, in our English class, let us see what is case study, and in that case study, what are the barriers the character face. First of all, do you all know what is case study? Yes, the case study is an investigation done on a single individual or a group or an event or for an event to explore the causes of underlying principles. Okay, here the clear explanation is given for case study. Case study is an investigation done on a particular person or group or on a particular event in order to explore the causes of its root cause. Barriers. Next is barriers to effective communication. So I told you the character will be there and you have to find out what are the barriers for communication. Here normally we will be seeing what is communication and all the things I have explained you in detail, and also the barriers. Here you have different set of barriers. Let us see what are the types of barriers. Here you have psychological barriers, organizational barriers, cultural barriers, process barriers. So here you have to find out, after reading a case study, which barrier suits that particular person. Okay, and now let us see what is this case study about. Mr. Sandeep, please listen carefully. Mr. Sandeep is the marketing manager of a company manufacturing designer clothes. One day in the morning, while leaving home, he had a quarrel with a person in his neighborhood on some issue. That person is a criminal who could abuse his family members. Mr. Sandeep on that day is very much worried and angry too on the behavior of the neighborhood person. On that day, a meeting was held by a team of marketing and design experts to ensure that whatever is produced is according to market demand and taste and fashion of the customers. But Mr. Sandeep could not pay attention to the discussion between them. So I think you all understood what is this case study about. So this case study fully revolves around a particular person and his performance on that particular day. Okay, in short, I will explain you. Here, the case study is about Mr. Sandeep. He is a person, he is an employee, that is marketing manager in manufacturing designer clothes. And one day, he quarreled with the neighbor for a particular issue. And the person who is a neighbor is a criminal, and he used to abuse his family members, used to irritate the family members. And that particular day when this meeting is happening, Sandeep is very much worried and he was angry on the neighborhood person, the particular person who is abusing his family. So on that, but after this, he is coming for a job, and a meeting was held by a team. On that particular day, there was a meeting held by a team who are the experts, marketing and design experts, and they want to ensure whether the products produced by his company is of the taste and fashion of the customers. So but here Sandeep fails to communicate properly, and he was unable to pay attention to the discussion which is held by that committee members. Okay, this is the scenario of this case study. So here your duty is, in order to make you understand what case study is and to analyze the problem, here I am giving two questions. Identify the type of barriers to communication mentioned in the above paragraph. Justify your answer. Next one is explain any two barriers of communication which affects Mr. Sandeep not to pay attention to the discussion. So now I will give you all 2 minutes in order to take down the answer. Okay, first identify, which I told you that there are 4 types of barriers. First, you think, analyze and work out on this case study. You first tell what type of case study is this. And the next one, which makes, what are the barriers of that particular person that affected the performance in a meeting? Okay, this is the second question. Let me give 2 minutes. You just analyze what type of problem he is facing. Yes, I think you all identified. Okay. Emotional or psychological fact, that is barriers which you might have identified as emotional or psychological factors that acts as a barrier for communication, or when you cannot participate in a meeting or when you cannot mingle with others is when you have something, that is when you worry about something. Okay. And next one is when you get angry. Yes, when you get angry, the receiver cannot understand the real meaning of message. That is, when you are angry and speaking something, the listener cannot understand what you say. Then loss by transmission and poor retention. Transmission of inaccurate information cannot retain for the long time. You cannot remember it for the long time. And that is, if you are angry and if something is eating you, we may say in English, we may say that something is eating you. So something is eating you, something is worrying you. So here you cannot retain that. And original sense of message cannot be transmitted. Whatever you think, exact words you cannot give out. So yes, you said that. I think you all have find out the correct answer. That is, his problem is psychological barrier. Let us explain what let me explain what is psychological barrier. Psychological barriers can be described as the cause of distorted communication because of human psychology problems. That is, if a person is affected psychologically on other things, other issues, he won't be able to give 100% attendance in that particular scenario. That is a case. If you worry about something, you cannot give attention. Okay, so for answer for the first question is, identify the type of barriers to communication mentioned in the above paragraph. That is the same questions which I read before. Here answer is psychological behavior, isn't it? Behavior or barrier? Here psychological barrier. And related to state of mind. Why I say behavior? Because psychologically he is thinking about the problem faced by him because of the neighbor, so he is restless. And so we analyze the problem of Sandeep and we can understand that his problem is, or his barrier is, psychological, are related to state of mind, both sender and receiver of communication. And example, for example, I will explain you. Worried person cannot communicate properly, and an angry receiver also cannot understand the real meaning of the message. His intention will be to get angry and not on the purchase or get order. Okay, so here Mr. Sandeep, so in our case study, if we take, we can clearly explain that his problem, his barrier is because this is barriers of effective communication. What is the barrier here? Sandeep is very much worried and angry on that particular day, so he cannot pay attention to the discussion in the meeting. So he is unable to pay his attention to the meeting. So he fails there because of psychological barrier. And lack of attention and angry receiver, his mind will be wavering like the question mark. He will be finding a solution for a problem which worry him much. Okay. And next question is, explain any two barriers to communication. What are the two barriers of communication here in this case study in Mr. Sandeep? Yes, lack of attention, angry receiver. So we get lack of attention and angry receiver as a barrier for the character Sandeep's failure. Lack of attention, the preoccupied mind of the receiver, and the resultant non-listening of message act as a nature psychological barrier, because he is unable to give his, as I told you before, he is unable to give his 100% and 100% involvement in that meeting, and his mind is thinking about something. So his full, we used to say, often I used to say in the class, you are physically present but mentally absent. Like that, Mr. Sandeep is physically present and mentally absent, so he fails to communicate with the members, with the team. Then next one is angry. Why angry receiver? Because here Sandeep, the team came to speak to him and get an assurance that whether the taste and quality is according to the taste of the customer. But he is very much angry because of that action which made him disturb in the morning. Sometimes people evaluate the meaning of a message in a different way when they are in angry mood. This could be due to preconceived notion or prejudice, because he is disturbed and he takes everything in a wrong sense. So again, this is the reason, because of his angry, he fails to be angry is the barrier, and because of that he fails to communicate properly with the team and he fails in that action. That's it, Ma. Thank you.